Model 2014 Renault Master Luton Low Loader 2.3 DCI needs turbo body, white, Luton, box mileage, 129,725 engine, 2,298 CCM 90-125 E5G transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have worn. Turbo will need replacing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. The engine is perfect. Just need a simple turbo replacement. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Nice clean cheap Luton low loader features, 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, aircon, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.